Hello, it's Vicky. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be doing a DIY shoe refurbishing kind of thing using stones. So these are the items I'll be using: some glue, brush, pencil with an eraser, some stones, medium and small size stones, as well as scotch tape and some scissors. So the first thing we need to do is place on the scotch tape to demarcate the surface we want to work with. So as you can see here, I already did that. Make sure the tape is nicely placed and flat so that the glue doesn't pass onto the other side. So I'll be placing on the stones out so that it will be easy for me to work with, and I have to face the stones upwards, like the flat side downwards and the other side upwards, so that all I have to do is just place it on the shoe. So basically that's what I'm doing right here. So the reason why I placed in some paper inside of the shoe is just to like cover up how bad inside of the shoe really looks, but there's nothing much about that. And here I'm just placing some glue and smoothing it out with a brush just to make the surface, smooth, and the stones can stay put and stay on the glue nicely. So in case you're wondering, the glue is actually white here, but there's nothing to worry about. Once it's dry, it dries out clear. You won't even know that I applied the glue there. So I'm using this pencil with an eraser head to like place on the stone. So this idea just came to me because I don't have jewelry picker or stones picker. They can be pretty expensive. The ones I saw actually were pricey, so this idea just came to me, and it works for medium-sized stones as well as really tiny stones. So this is a good idea in case you can really afford or is not available to you, then you can just use an eraser. All right, this is really easy to find everywhere. So like I said, don't worry about the glue. The whiteness of it is gonna dry out pretty clear, and make sure you apply your gum evenly, the glue evenly, so that you don't miss out any spot. I'm placing the stones pretty randomly. It's not like I'm not following any pattern whatsoever. I'm just placing it randomly, but I'm using the scotch tape as a guide also, so that it doesn't pass onto the other side. Normally I will use my hand to pick the stones, but using this eraser side of the pencil actually made it really easier, like much easier. I did this within 10 minutes or less. It was really simple for me to do this. So if you want to see my other DIY ideas, just stay tuned for my upcoming DIY videos. You could subscribe, just to make sure you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos, and leave comment in the comment section. Give me ideas of any video you want me to make, and yeah, subscribe. So after this, we're gonna let this shoe dry for about an hour or so. Actually, if the glue just dries out clear, then you know it's dry. It's completely dry. So here is dry, and I'm ripping off the tape for us to see the final look of our DIY. And here it is. It looks so pretty. Honestly, I didn't expect it was gonna turn out this good, but it actually does look good, and this is a good collection added to my shoes. So give this a try if you really liked it, and it's really gonna come out good. It really did look pretty.